I have to say that I'm really excited that we're in Andheri. We've already been in Bandra and South Mumbai, and people in Andheri, every time we post pictures or videos, I'm putting some in, fitness stuff. They're constantly asking me, when you coming to Andheri? So, yeah, it's great to be here. And now we'll have Gul coming because the last time I met her was about 2 years ago.
Yes, yes.
And she was like, you don't have anything in Andheri.
I know.
So.
Yeah. So I'm really excited. Pilates has been on my list for a very long time because I keep experimenting with various forms of fitness just to mix things up a little. And so the one thing that has sort of not happened yet for me is Pilates, and I'm very thrilled about it being here, Yasmin. I'm going to probably be one of the early people who walk in.
And we're very excited to train you because you're such a fitness icon.
So I hope I don't want to fall flat on my face and figure that I can't do anything, because that'll be quite tragic.
Nobody from the age of 10 to 100 falls flat on their face with Pilates.
Because there's springs to save them, and there are these little like stirrup-looking things that prevent them from. So I keep watching with interest all the videos you post, and I keep wondering that this doesn't look so tough, but I'm sure it is.
It is.
So yes, I'm very keen to try it out.
I'm first of all here to support Yasmin. I think she's one of the best Pilates instructors out there. Another thing is that, like I mentioned, guys, they typically want to head into the gym and lift weights. And then after a while, that tends to become monotonous. Personally, I would love to incorporate something like this into my schedule. Yes, I'd continue working out in the gym. But for my sport, primarily, for golf and for swimmers out there and other sportsmen, I think flexibility is key. Balance on both sides of the body with strength is key. And from everything I'm hearing about the benefits of Pilates, I think it would take care of all of the above. So I'm excited to be here, and of course wish Yasmin the very best.
So what we also do with sportsmen who don't have the time to come to our studios is I teach them what I did with the bloggers today is I teach them like a 20-minute workout, and which they can do anywhere. And normally I tell them, do it before you go into the gym or you do a game or whatever, and do it at least 3 to 4 times a week to see the difference in your game, because all international sportsmen do Pilates. In fact, right now I have a girl who represents India in badminton internationally, and of course she works from Hyderabad, and their training is there, and she's in Bombay for 3 days coming down to the studio, and we're teaching her a routine that she can do when she goes back, because she says I weight train and my trainers make me do everything. They do flex, but nobody teaches them Pilates. And so for 3 days we're only training, and that is just 1 hour a day she's coming, and we're only teaching her this routine that she can take back with her. And what I do then is I make little videos for them to show them the exercise, because you don't always remember, the exact details of how you do that. So we make these little videos, put it on a pen drive or send it to them, on email or whatever.
So, what is your fitness mantra?
My fitness mantra is essentially consistency, because I think if you need sustained fitness levels to be maintained, it's only going to happen through consistency. A lot of people favor intensity, but I think what really eventually the buck stops with consistency. You've got to do it every day, day after day. Not to say you shouldn't take rest days, but I prefer doing something every day. My rest day is also usually a light day, because I don't want the routine to break. So on my 7th day, I'll probably just take a walk, make some calls while I'm walking. But I get into my fitness clothes just to make sure that I remain regular. Because with the kind of lives we all lead, things are a bit hectic, and it's so easy to fall off the bandwagon. We all have a list of excuses we can make. Like literally, I can write a book on the excuses that I can make for not exercising. So I just believe showing up is the most important thing. What you pursue, whether it's Pilates or mixed martial arts or HIIT or conventional gym and sport, I think it's really important to just make sure you tick that box every single day, 35-40 minutes of elevated heart rate every day for the rest of your life.
Okay. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you. Congratulations.